Papi, ¿cómo está? Hey, how are you? Bro, I got some backpacks filled with like food and stuff.
Okay,
You
papi.
want it?
Yeah. He my friend.
Huh?
My friend.
Who, Kevin?
Kevin, where? He's working?
Yeah, he's got a job at a restaurant.
Where? Good guy, man. I love you, man.
I love you too,
Cuando
man.
you see Kevin talking, I love you.
I will. Hey, where are you staying tomorrow? Tomorrow night?
Here, papi.
You know we're gonna get a lot of snow, right?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
For real.
12 inches.
¿Qué?
Yeah.
¿Qué?
12.
No, papi.
Yeah. You wanna go to the Motel 6 tomorrow?
Yeah, papi.
I'll get you a room.
For real, papi.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
I'll get it for you.
Wow.
Alright?
Wow, man.
I'll see if I can get a couple more rooms. Do you have
Thank
anyone?
you.
If I can get some more rooms, we'll see if
Yeah.
anyone can donate.
Wow, man.
And then I'll get a few more rooms.
What time, papi?
3 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay, mira.
You have a phone?
Yeah, papi.